Welcome to another video on my channel. I greatly appreciate your support and encourage you to consider subscribing for daily uploads like this. Your subscriptions mean a lot to me and help me continue creating content such as this in the long run. In this shocking clip, captured in broad daylight, a brave homeowner confronts a home intruder who forcibly entered their residence. With remarkable courage, the homeowner defends their property, pushing the intruder out and forcing them to flee.
I don't know if this is for you.
In this alarming clip, a homeowner falls victim to a deceptive intruder posing as a delivery person. Tragically, the homeowner's trust is exploited as the intruder forcefully enters the house and initiates a violent confrontation. It serves as a stark reminder to exercise caution and verify the legitimacy of unexpected visitors.
Hello. I have a delivery. It's one for Jose and one for Luis.
Huh?
Alright, go ahead and get inside. Get inside. I'm curious. Get the fuck inside. Get down. Get down.
In this unsettling clip, we witness a homeowner enduring years of harassment from a mysterious individual. This relentless antagonist repeatedly targets the neighbor's Ring doorbell camera, leaving the homeowner perplexed and concerned about the motive behind these actions. It serves as a chilling reminder of the importance of vigilance and taking necessary precautions to ensure personal safety. Stay tuned as we explore the unfolding mystery and attempt to shed light on this disturbing situation. In a disturbing incident captured by a Ring camera, a woman named Judy and Klein was seen wielding a hammer and shouting racial slurs, leading to her facing 3 felony charges. The incident took place in St. Louis in January 2022, and the homeowner's security footage caught the unsettling encounter. The family involved expressed frustration with the alleged response from the police, claiming that it was only after the footage went viral on TikTok that authorities took action. Fatima Suarez, a member of the targeted family, shared her relief that Klein is finally facing charges, but emphasized the troubling aspect of needing a video to gain attention. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of documenting and reporting such acts, as well as the need for consistent action against hate crimes.
If you can get away with it, 'cause I'm American, it's my property.
Okay, then give me your full name.
Go for it, bitch. Show me some illegal paperwork, 'cause I know you didn't buy this house. You don't have enough money. Get off my property. Is Mike and Leslie your real estate agent? Do it, bitch. American citizen angry at you assholes.
In this gripping clip, a pizza delivery man becomes an unexpected hero in the midst of a high-speed chase. As the suspect exits the pursued vehicle and makes a desperate attempt to escape, he encounters the courageous delivery driver. Displaying quick thinking and bravery, the delivery man strategically trips the suspect, ultimately leading to his capture. This remarkable act reminds us of the unexpected bravery that can emerge in ordinary individuals when faced with extraordinary circumstances. Kudos to this pizza delivery hero for his quick actions. Stay tuned for more incredible moments like this and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content.
Oh! Oh!
That's a high-speed chase.
Yeah.
That's a high-speed chase.
Yeah, you better hit my
Oh my God, Yeager! Oh my God, Yeager! There's a high-speed chase on my land! No!
Oh, idiot! Idiot! On the ground!
Come in. Come in.
You got me on video?
Holy You want to come in the house?
No, I'm good.
Here.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. Thank you. Holy He just tripped the at him.
My leg up too.
In this intense clip, a homeowner finds himself face to face with danger as two robbers attempt to target him outside his own house. As he stands his ground, the homeowner fearlessly confronts the intruders and pulls out a gun, ready to protect himself and his property. The brazen actions of these criminals are met with a swift and determined response from the homeowner, highlighting the importance of being prepared and vigilant in the face of potential threats. In this alarming clip, we witness a distressing incident where two thieves target an unsuspecting man, robbing him of his gold ring right before our eyes. The audacity and speed of their actions leave us shocked and concerned about the safety of individuals in our communities. It serves as a stark reminder to stay vigilant and take precautions to protect our belongings. Let's use this video as a reminder to prioritize personal safety, report any suspicious activity, and support each other in creating a safer environment for all. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and share. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more captivating content and check out the other videos presented in the end screens over here. Stay tuned for the next video, and remember to stay vigilant and aware of your surroundings.